Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to replace a toilet flush handle. The other day my wife ran to me and said, oh, the toilet doesn't work anymore. I came here and was expecting it to be a big deal, but it's not. It's just a handle broke. It happens, and I'll just show you how to do it so you can do it at home and not have to pay anybody to do it. Super easy. First you want to do, remove the top, just lift it up and put it somewhere safe. And then as you can see right here, that's the handle. That's literally all you need, this piece right here. And to save you money, just go to any store you go to, like Walmart or Lowe's or Home Depot, and just buy the all-in-one toilet repair kit. It will have everything you need. So next time if something else breaks in your toilet, you just replace it and you save money. Spend 20 bucks and you'll be fine for the, or if you have other toilets at home, you can just get it and replace every single piece. It comes with everything you need in a toilet. But I just needed the handle right here, as you can see. So what you want to do first is just unhook it right here. There's a little hook. Just unhook it, as you can see right here. It's so easy. You don't need any tools or anything. Then get an adjustable wrench if it's tight in here, or other tools you have. Just go clockwise because it's how it's made. So you go clockwise and just keep going and going until it loosens up, and just pull it out, and that's it, and it's done. The rest is just pull it out, just go forward, push, and then pull, and it's done. And it looks like this, guys. So easy. As you can see, it's a square, just like the hole in here. It's a square. It's made to fit. So get your new one. Mine broke right here when my wife was flushing. It just broke off. It just was really old, and all you need is just this piece. But like I said, get the whole kit, and you save yourself a lot of money. If one day this will break or this will break, whatever you need, it will be here. So to put it back in there, get the new one, go forward like this, go inside the hole, and just go inside like this. Align the square to the hole. Just give it a little push. Sometimes you just gotta mess around with it. Alright, it's in. And get the washer in. As you can see, just put it in there. And just start going counterclockwise. Sorry, I have an accent. Just go counterclockwise and just tighten it with adjustable wrench or other tools you have. I'm fine with my hands. And then just get the clip right here and just adjust it to holes. They have a bunch of holes in here. Just keep finding which one works best for you. And the toilets are different. Mine, I think I have to go in the second hole. See, I clipped it. Let it go. Let the water fill up. I'll see if it works. That's how simple it was, guys. And then push the button. Bam, it works. Literally under a minute. And you save yourself some money instead of paying somebody. I hope you like this video, guys. And please comment below if you have any questions. I'll be glad to help you out. And have a nice day.